are live and we are here at JDM Fest Montreal. This is the first actual car event that I've been to in probably about a decade. The last time I came to JDM Fest was, I don't know, sometime around 2014, 2015, I think. It wasn't even at this circuit. The previous circuit closed down, new location. I've never been here before, super excited. We've been in line for about 30 minutes. There was someone's car who broke down, so we gave him a little push to hopefully get him to safety. Finally got our tickets and we're still waiting in line. Is this a photo or a video?
Video.
All right, we've been walking around for about an hour. We still haven't seen a single S12. More significantly, we haven't found anyone selling coffee. But we did find a Z31, which is, it's thereabouts, right? Similar. That's it, that's all I got. I was just over here talking to the guy who has the JDM S13. Right now he has a K24 turbo swap in it. The audio quality really went to hell here. But basically this guy I was talking to was the guy who sold me the SR I swapped into my S12, and that S13 was the donor. He was telling me, yeah, I sold to a guy with an S12. I live a 7-hour drive from here and I'm pretty sure you're the one who came to pick it up. I didn't recognize the guy for the life of me. Anyway, back to the video. It's a small world.
How's it feel to drive your car through the show?
Ah, it's so much fun. This is like the least modified car here. There's so many cars that are so much nicer, but it's just fun. You're surrounded by people who share a common interest with you. There's nothing better than that. Les miennes fonctionnent pas.
You look happy, buddy.
I'm having a good time. There's a lot of really cool cars here. It's fun. It's really loud and really hot, but it's a lot of fun. Do you expect me to say things?
Yeah.
That's it for JDM Fest 2024 for us. There wasn't actually very much for us to film here. It was a cool car show, very loud. I forgot how poorly I do in big crowds. I had a lot of fun, saw a lot of really cool cars, got to meet Jimmy Oakes and Grant Anderson, both really nice guys. It was great to be able to talk to them, to be able to watch them drive.